All right, everybody, we are here live for 4-box case team break 2017 Panini National Treasures Baseball. The break is sold out. It's brought to you by BCW Supplies. Protect, store, and display. Good luck, everybody. Last break of the night. Last NT baseball until Thursday or Friday. Jersey. $79 out of 99. Nationals. Max Scherzer. All Century jersey. 17 out of 25. Orioles. Cal Ripken Jr. Jersey, 24 out of 25. For the Reds, Pete Edward Rose Sr. Pete Edward Rose Sr. Two jerseys, a 3-color patch, and an autograph. For the A's, Renato Nunez. 9 out of 99. We finally got this guy not as a redemption. Beantown. Rookie Timeline Materials Signatures. 85 out of 99. Red Sox. Andrew Benintendi. Notable nicknames. Gar. 8 out of 49. Mariners. Edgar Martinez. Rookie, 3-color patch autograph. 13 out of 49 Red Sox. Sam Travis. Looks like 2 first names. Sam Travis. I think it would have been better. Travis Sam. Son of Sam. 20 out of 99 Legend Booklet Materials. 2-color jersey and a bat. 282 home runs. Not for a season, for a career. Cubs, Ryan Sandberg. That would have been a record. Barely. I think Barry Bonds almost had that one year. Walks plus home runs, 282. We have a Rookie Timeline Materials 2-color patch. Seven out of 10. Jeez, it's fat. Astros, Alex Bregman. Jersey, 11 out of 25. For the Cubs, Christopher Lee Bryant. Game used bat for the Orioles, Willie Keeler, 30 out of 49. Little Willie won't go home. Autographed jersey, 12 out of 49 for the Red Sox, Chris Sale. The Red Sox are doing some business. Hometown Heroes, Prince George, Virginia. 70 out of 99 for the Red Sox, Jackie Bradley Jr. We got some action coming here. I am talking low-numbered action. Multicolored patch autograph. Treasure signature materials. For the Blue Jays, Josh Donaldson. I mean, what in the heck is that? A piece of something. A piece of shoe. Numbered 1/1. Rookie, 3-color patch autograph. For the Padres, Manuel Margot. 38/49. Also goes by Manny Margot sometimes. 21/99. Armory book. We have a jersey, a bat, a jacket, a jersey, a sweatshirt, and socks. White Sox, Yoan Moncada. We are officially halfway. 2 boxes to go. Dos mas, like dos sakis. Jesus. This is fat. For sure gonna have a something to random. Had to be the worst cutting job ever. I don't know what's going on here. Usually cut the other one. Taped the other one. We are in. I mean, cards are all coming out of itself. I don't even know. Oh, we have a fat card. Jesus. 4th down. Zach Kozar, Colossal jersey, 4/99. Reds. I thought it was going to be like one of those treasure chests or something. Letter patch, 4/10 for the Twins. Miguel Sanu. He's an all-star. Jersey, 51/90. Jeez! 51/99 Red Sox. David Ortiz. I gotta double check what team this guy is. Just to make sure. I mean, this is a fat card. This site cannot be reached. Oh? I mean, look at the size of that thing. Well, that's his team. It's a done deal. Let's take a look. No, let's wait till the end. Letter patch autograph, 3/15 for the Orioles. Trey Mancini. 3/15. No, if we wait till the end, though, we won't be able to talk about it very long. Rookie timeline materials. Yankees, Jordan Montgomery. Gumby Nation, 34. I guess he's a fan of Eddie Murphy. Alright, I can't wait any longer. The suspense is killing me. I want to find out who it is. Number 36, or else that's the bat length. I'm not sure. Wait. Bat Knobs. Numbered 1/1. For the Yankees, Bill Dickey. Dickey. Triple jersey autograph, 14/99 for the Cubs, Eloy Jimenez. Eloy Jimenez as a Cub. Two-color patch autograph, rookie, 99/99 for the Rockies, Raimel Tapia. It was 99/99. Now, like this, it's 66/66. Like Phillips 66. 7/25. Signature material booklet. For the Braves, Fred Freeman. 7/25. That's the break. No, we have one box left. Never mind. We'll do one more box. I don't know why I thought that was box 4. False alarm on the end of the break. We should do a recap. That's a good idea. We're going to start doing recaps. That way if somebody comes late, they'll see what happened. I like that idea. What's that? Oh, that is true. We do a recap every time. 97/99 Jersey Padres, Will Myers. Colossal jersey for the Astros, Jorge Springer. 46/99. Where is George? There he is. All Century jersey. 53/99 Padres, Tony Gwynn. We have a bat, 25/49. Max Carey for the Pirates. He looks old. From 1912 to 28, there was no bigger base stealer threat in the game than Max Carey. Ooh, we'll have to look up what team this goes to. Rookie Material Signatures, 192. Rookie Material Signatures, 192. Cody Bellinger. Sounds like a Dodger. Triple jersey autograph, Indians, 1/99. Adam Plutko. We actually would have had to look up his team if he was a redemption. Plutko. 98/99, triple jersey autograph. Cubs, Kyle Schwarber as a catcher. Better a catcher than a misser, I guess. He's kind of a misser in the outfield, huh? Like an angel in the outfield. Whoa, this is a 2016 card. This was a 2017 break. Goes to the host, I guess. Signatures. 60/99. Angels, Vladimir Guerrero. Another problem. Anaheim Angels. This break was for the Los Angeles Angels. And last card of the break is not really a card at all. It's a book. Legends Cuts Booklet. 66/99. Cut autograph. Les Expos. Gary Carter, the kid we used to call him back in the day. Inducted into the Hall of Fame in 2003. Montreal Expos. Also did not have a spot for them. Give them to the Nationals. All right. Carter is going to the Nationals. Good idea. Let's do a recap. Timeline. 2-color patch, 7 out of 10 Astros. Alex Bregman. Colossal jerseys to 99 Astros. George Springer. Red, Zach Cozart. 2-color letter patch. That is the O from Sano. 4 out of 10 Twins. Miguel Sano. Like Janae Jano. Jerseys, patches, bats, and various relics. To 99, All Century, Padres, Tony Gwynn. Padres, Will Myers. David Ortiz, Red Sox. Max Scherzer, Nationals. To 49, Max Carey, Pirates. To 49, Willie Keeler, Orioles. To 25, Pete Edward Rose, Sr., Reds. Christopher Lee Bryant to 25, and also to 25, All Century, Orioles, Cal Ripken, Jr. Legends Book, Dual Relic to 99, Cubs, Ryan Sandberg. Armory to 99, White Sox, Yoan Moncada. Jersey, bat, jacket, jersey, sweatshirt, socks. Now, over here. Hometown Heroes to 99 Red Sox, Jackie Bradley Jr. Got lots of action. Rookie patch autographs to 99 Rockies, Raimel Tapia. To 49 Sam Travis Red Sox. 49 Padres, Manny Margot. Triple jersey autographs to 99 Adam Plutko, Indians. Cubs, Eloy Jimenez. And A's, Renato Nunez. Letter patch autograph 3 out of 15 Orioles, Trey Mancini. Rookie timeline material signatures Yankees, Jordan Montgomery. Astros, Andrew Benintendi. Autograph jersey to 49, Chris Sale. Red Sox. Notable nicknames, Gar. Edgar Martinez, 8 out of 49, Mariners. Signatures to 99, Angels, Vladimir Guerrero. Triple jersey autograph to 99, Cubs, Kyle Schwarber. Rookie material signatures, 192, Dodgers, Cody Bellinger. 1 of 1 logo patch autograph for the Blue Jays, Josh Donaldson. Former MVP. Signature material booklet, 7 out of 25. Autograph jersey, Freddie Freeman, Braves. Legends cut, 66 out of 99. Montreal Expos, Gary Carter, Expos / Nationals. And we have a bat knob, 1 of 1. For the Yankees, Bill Dickey. Dickey, like Dickie Simpkins. Game used material. That's the break and the recap. These will ship out tomorrow. I'll put the video up on YouTube right now. We did, we got more NT towards the end of the week, Thursday or Friday, not sure. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Select basketball, Contenders Optic football, Select soccer, and Bowman Chrome minis. See you then.